Really?
Hello everyone, I am the first reporter of Group 7 and our report will be about the misconduct of the participants. Okay, so the first is fair play. So participants must behave respectfully and courteously in the spirit fair play not only towards the referees but also towards other officials. So, kailangan ang participants, no, the players will behave. Kailangan na sila proper etiquette. Dapat kabalo sila mag-communicate within their team and also sa team sa PICAS and then their referees and their coaches. So, communication between team members during the match is permitted. So, during the match, no, pwede sila mag-communicate. No, it's not forbidden. Kailangan na sila communication. So, pag nasa din mabuhat ng mga misconduct, no, mag-misbehave sila, there are sanctions. So, minor misconduct. So, in the minor misconduct, no, naalang tayo ginatawag na verbal warning and then yellow card. So verbal warning, by issuing a verbal warning through the game captain. So, si referee mag-issue siya o kaning verbal warning sa kuana. Okay, your player is misconducting. So, kailangan ko nila i-correct. Then the second is by using a yellow card to the team members concerned. This formal warning is not itself a sanction but a symbol that the team members and by its extension the team has reached the sanctioning level. So, katong yellow card, let's have this for an example. So, magtaas ang referee of yellow card, that means it is a warning. Wala pa siya ay sanction, but it is a start na nagpakita na siya na next na napay misconduct na mahitabo na anang sanction. The next into sanctions. Another ay incorrect conduct by a team member towards official opponents, teammates, or spectators is classified in 3 categories. So, nasa 3 categories, no? Dayon, ang kanyang misconduct leading to sanction is example is ang PICAS team is nailain nga binuhatan bitaw like example nga dahil sila ay kanang lain nga pamatasan through ay kanang misconduct leading to sanction kay incorrect conduct by a team member. Kung katong team member sa usa ka team is kanang naa siya lain binuhatan, automatically kanang naadto siya kaning silot nga kaning dawatan. So and then towards official opponents, teammates or spectator is classified in 3 categories according to seriousness of the offense. So, example, ang katong isa ka team is kanang naa sila yung mga verbal nga kanang binuhatan or kaning something kay automatically katong nga player is ilisdan dito siya and then ipa-ato din siya sa kanang dressing room aron misconduct leading to sanctions. So, incorrect conduct by team member towards officials, opponents, teammates, or spectator is classified in 3 categories according to the seriousness of the offense. So, kanang example is ang kanang nasa PICAS team is kanang kuan na sila yung mga bati bitaw nga pinuhatan. So, naagid na sila, expected gud na nga kanang silutan sila sa ilahang referee. And then, ang silot ana is ilisdan sila and then pagkahuman sa kanang ahat pa na sila kabalik if mahuman to ang isa ka set. And di ba nasa 3 categories. So nadiri ang road conducted action contrary to good manners of moral principles. So mga kana bitong bastos nga mga binuhatan like kanang pakyuhan ang laing team. So, nagid na siya ko isilot, no? And then, ang kuan ani, if pananglitan, kaninga pagdula nila sa volleyball is kaning daog sila, but na sila lain nga kanang mga road or bati nga binuhatan, automatically, ang score nila is mabalhin sa lain nga team.
offensive conduct, defamatory or insulting words or gestures or any action expressing context. So kaning offensive conduct no, kaning gid kaning pamaagi ko bisa sa kanang manguanak ka kanang anay mga bad words nga mahitabo kanang kuan hapon na automatically kaning kuan na hapon kay offense ana sa kanang rhetoric. And then ang ikatulo is aggression, actual physical attack or aggressive or threatening behavior. No, mao na gyud ang pinaka kuan words nga kaning misconduct no, kaning gid bitaw mang kuan ka nanagay physical nga kanang mahitabo sa both team kanang siguro ka sinong bagay na, and then also kanang threatening na ba kanang manghadlok na bantay lang kaunya, and then sanction skills. So according to judgment of the first referee and depending on the seriousness of the offense, the sanction to be applied and recorded on the score of the score sheet are penalty, exclusion or disqualification. Kaning sanction skill no kay kanang ang judge gid ani kay ang first referee no di gid makabuot ang ang mga member or ang team ani sa volleyball player no. Daagad gid sila sa judgment sa first referee if unsa makana bitang offense ang ilahang madawat. And then naa sila kaning tulo ka sanction skill, mao ni siya ang penalty. So ang penalty, the first rude conduct in the match by any team member is penalized with a point and service to the opponent. So for example, naka-penalty ang first example ni is kaning ang pikas team is na sila bati nga binuhatan, and then sa next match dayon is so kaning penalty no is kanang the first rude conduct in the match by any team member is penalized with a point and service to the opponent. For example, ang isa ka team is na sila bati nga binuhatan, automatically if sila kanang nakadaog ato nga serve, ilahang kuan ilahang points is dito gyud kaning dito gyud butang or dito gyud ihatag sa pikas team or ilahang opponent.
Go.
Explosion. A team member who is sanctioned by explosion must be substituted legally, exceptionally, and immediately if on court shall not participate for the rest of the set and must go the team dressing room until the competition on the going set. So, expulsion o pagpaalis. Kung usa ka player ay ma-expose ay kailangan siya alisin din sa legal or special nga pamangit kung naa siya sa court disqualified o pagkakaalis ng karapatan maglaro hantod mahuman ang set o kailangan siya moadto sa dressing room o dili na siya sulutan. So next is disqualification. So sa team member who is sanctioned by disqualification must be legally, exceptionally, and immediately if on court and must go the team's dressing room for the rest of the match will no other sequences. So sa disqualification is o pagkakalis ng karapatan maglaro sa team member who is sanctioned o parusa by pagtanggal must be sa dutya pangitas o maayo nga player then maato siya sa dressing room sa the rest of matches. Doon sa kondayon, sa first physical attack or implied or threat, aggression or sanction by disqualification of no other sequences. So, kanina sa physical attack na kay mura siya nagkuhan siya, nag-aggression, nag-threaten siya nga kanang atake ba din. Kung nasa sequences, sanction or ipatanggal siya sa play. So, doon sa summary of misconduct and cards yun sa yellow card, ang simulan niya is warning. Then sa red is isang penalty na nagresulta sa isang sin na ibinigay sa kalaban. Ibig sabihin, pagpaparusa dahil sa matinding paglabag tulad ng pagmumura, hindi pagsunod sa coach. Then sa yellow card is ang manlalaro o team ay pinapalis mula sa court at buong laro hindi na siya maaaring bumalik sa one. Then sa yellow and red kay mo na siya ang disqualification or pagtanggal sa paglaro.